Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about sell call options on your Robinhood. So this is also known as your covered call, and basically it's also known as short call. So basically we're going to talk about how to do sell call options. So if you already know what you're doing, basically when you do a sell call option you must have 100 shares of the stock. So let's get into it. So you will have to go to your sell and call in your sell in your options, and then here's your $7 call. So you're gonna multiply it by actually 100 because that's gonna be your 100 shares. Next you will have to actually just basically, so hold on here. So basically you will have to go to the end of the contract if you want to sell. So it's gonna be 3 months from now, so it's gonna be December 17, as you can see. And as you can see that we have multiplied the price already, and you can see the break even. This is basically your liquidation price if you know. So next is you'll have to actually just sell it. And then right here you're gonna sell basically one. It's gonna be equal to 100 shares, or you can do two, which is gonna be equal to 200, and the limit price which you want the prices to be. So the asset is gonna be between 0.36 cents and 0.40 depending on the limit price and the minimum credit. So you're going to review this, and right here you're going to see if this is the actual chart right here where this is your max profit within this time period, and then your max loss is going to be right here, expected profit and loss when the actual options or the sell call options doesn't go your way. So you'll just have to review it, and once you have done it, let's say that the stock won't go any higher than this and it won't go any better than it. So you'll review it already and you will sell it, and you will sell your extra shares for just this max profit that could be 38, and you can also get a max loss, and it's going to say in the chart basically. So that's how you do sell call options on Robinhood. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.